like more lighter than like
Okay.
babies, and because babies are like real humans. Those are not humans.
Are you hearing this conversation? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be vlogging today.
And mommy.
Hey, hi Zin.
This is me. You have seen me in all the
Okay, so we're going to be vlogging today. We've got some things that we need to send out, and it's going to be an ASMR packaging. So I'm not going to be talking a lot. So we'll just get right into it. So first things first, I'll need to print out what we're shipping today and then start bringing them out. Really? Okay, so I've just printed out the things we're shipping. I'll just start bringing them out now.
I can see you.
I know you can see me. That's
Hello. You have seen me from one video to two, and then he is in a house party. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Pew! From TikTok house.
Should I also follow this one? We don't have anything. Yeah.
Red.
Hi guys, so I have managed to bring out all the things from the shipping and from the printout I did for the shipping label. This is like 4 hours ago now because it's almost like have to. And I've had like so many other stuff I had to do, and I also had to get my baby to sleep, and he's only just chosen to sleep on me, so we just carry him like this while we get stuff done. So I've brought out some of the things I'm shipping today. I'm just concentrate about time, and because UPS will be here at 3 p.m. To get it sorted, so I'll need to start working on this quite quickly, so enjoy the journey with me. Okay, first things first. So we'll pack these things up first, and then I'll start doing the UPS label. And if I've got more time, then I can add some other things I would want to ship today. If not, I will probably do that later this evening. Oh, by the way, because I know this video will be live before this weekend, I'm hoping this video goes live on Wednesday. It's currently Monday today. We're going to be exhibiting with Bob Expo. On Saturday the 29th of July, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. is going to be at Manchester Suites in Trafford Centre. So if you manage to get some time, or if you're in Manchester, or if you can come down to Manchester, that'll be fantastic. Look for MAD Collection, and the first 10 people that actually orders from us would get a surprise gift. So make sure to come down to our stand and say hello. So anyways, I just wanted to plug that in, and let's get packing.
Of your effort. That is my objective today, to ask you.
So I'm just puncturing hole in the hanging tags. So like I've said in so many other videos, this is a business card that is made as a hanging tag because it's usually cheaper to make a business card into a hanging tag than to get an already made hanging tag, because if you get an already made hanging tag, it's a lot more expensive. So we'd usually do it this way. So I'm just going to puncture a few holes for an estimate of the dresses, or an estimate of the outfits we're currently sending out today. And then I've got the rope as well. Okay, so the only reason why I'm doing this process, this tedious process, and not just sticking the thermal on the item like I would normally, is because with my UPS packages, which is 95% of the items I ship, we print it on this A4 paper, and I'm still trying to figure out how to print it on my thermal printer, because then I know that will be so much better. So I just need to package this item because UPS is literally just waiting for me now. So this is...
I know what's when there.
I've done some of them already. So
Now to get your just find this one. know, I'm doing some cuts now, and I'm making a PayPal for paper dolls. So check out my video. Yeah, good mom video, good mom, and can be eat. I was thinking
So
me,
what should we start to this question and answer session? So what's your name?
Zoe, and what's your name? Say to the camera. My name is Zoe.
And how old are you?
4.
And when will you be 5?
In the 6th of August.
Okay, and what are you doing for your birthday?
Going to Disney, and I'm gonna get presents like 1 doll and 1 like buggy for dolls.
Who's giving you buggy for dolls?
Daddy.
Daddy said he'll buy you buggy for dolls. What do you need buggy? See buggy, you can push your brother and say, thank you.
You're welcome. See
But
you
he's
tomorrow.
really heavy. I get tired.
If you want buggy, you have real life baby and real life buggy. That why do you need the baby? What is the word again?
Ah, you don't know how to say buggy. You forgot.
Yeah, because it's very irrelevant. So why do you need buggy?
You always don't let me put my dolls into the seat of the buggy.
Why would I let you put your dolls inside the real buggy when there's a baby to put inside the buggy? When I put him inside, you push.
It's too heavy, I guess.
So this one that you're going to buy now won't it be heavy?
No, it's gonna be light.
How do you know? Have you used it before?
If it's not like a real baby inside, it's not heavy.
But how would you know?
Cause when I put my dolls into the buggy when you're not looking, it feels so light when I push it sometimes. It feels so light. It doesn't feel so heavy like Zane and Zimmy.
Okay, so it's the real baby that's making the buggy heavy. It's not the buggy itself that is heavy.
And like those are like they're like more lighter than like
Okay.
babies, and because babies are like real humans. Those are not humans. And paper is really light.
Are you hearing this conversation? That's the end of the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed the content, our packaging content and our chit chat content. If you've enjoyed the video, remember to like
and subscribe, and you'll
and
get
turn
a
on the
present.
bell notification so when we post any upcoming videos you get notified, and
And
we'll
you
see
don't
you in
miss
the next
any
one.
more videos.
And you don't miss any more videos. Did you hear that? I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.
Bye.